Creo Parametric 8.0 offers a new hole feature workflow option that allows you to create multiple holes in a single hole feature. The placement type of the hole feature can be set to sketched. It then takes placement locations based on an internal or external sketch. In the workflow shown here, we are, for example, creating an internal sketch with a hexagon that will be used to determine the hole placement locations. By default, they are derived from the endpoints of straight solid lines in the sketch. Construction lines in the sketch are ignored, which can help you to control which geometry should be used and interpreted for the placement locations calculation. For external sketches, the object action workflow is supported. After a sketch is selected, the hole feature appears as an eligible command in the context-sensitive mini-toolbar. The locations of the hole can be defined based on individual sketch points, endpoints, and midpoints of straight sketch lines. This new functionality is supported for simple as well as standard holes. The hole nodes are also available for multi-hole features. Reference pattern functionality is supported, and it interprets the multi-hole feature analogous to a base pattern. This is also indicated by the pattern modifier on the hole feature icon. The number of hole instances contained in the hole feature is also used to call out the number of holes in the hole node pattern callout. A straight pattern of multi-hole features calculates the sum of all holes and calls that number out in a single hole node. A pattern of grouped multi-hole features creates a hole node for each group. Previously, holes could only be created by individual features and could not be created directly based on sketches. The workflow required multiple features and included an external sketch and pattern features. This enhancement offers improved productivity through a faster and easier creation of multiple holes in the part and assembly design workflows.